Hey, I'm Nari Kwan, Product Manager at Planar Systems. We're here at InfoComm 2026, and I'm here to show you Mantis. This is a brand new product that we came out for InfoComm. It's developed for the primary market of rental and staging, but it's also designed for on-camera performance with low scan ratios and high refresh rate. This product was developed from the ground up with Planar engineering, and we looked at every single point of the cabinet itself, from the physical aspect of it, how it is set up and how it's torn down. And what you'll see here is that every green color on the back of the cabinet is a touch point, everything from the vertical cabinet clamp to the side latches, the angle blocks on the other side, so it has built-in faceted curves, both minus 12.5 degrees and positive 12.5 degrees. The modules themselves are locked, and then there are tethers to prevent any falling modules during install or replacing the modules when it is all set up. Another aspect of this is that it's completely toolless with quarter turn locks both for the modules as well as the electronics box. When we look at the back of the cabinet, you'll see that it is a clean design. It's simple to set up, and conversely also simple to tear down. There are associated accessories such as road cases that are specifically built for the cabinets for Mantis, as well as the hanging bars that you'll see up top and a ground stacking frame below. For more information, go to planar.com, and that's a wrap.